Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the obvious blockers, close photos, and reboot the system to clear temporary locks and hung services. Once done, make sure Windows and Microsoft Store updates are installed, because missing updates often break store apps. Next, check file associations, so images are set to open with photos. Wrong associations send files elsewhere. These quick steps remove common environment problems and prepare your machine for deeper fixes, without wasting time diagnosing obvious causes. Once the basics are done, repair the app from settings. Repair preserves data, reset returns defaults. If that fails, re-register the Photos package using PowerShell as administrator to restore app registration and dependencies. This fixes corrupted store metadata. Make sure to run sfc and dism commands to repair underlying Windows components that Photos depends on. Corrupted system files can stop apps from launching. Also update graphics drivers, because codec and driver mismatches commonly prevent media apps from opening. To finish, uninstall and then reinstall Microsoft Photos to restore a clean app image. Reinstalling replaces broken files and dependencies. If problems persist only for your account, create a new Windows user to determine if the profile is corrupt. Make sure you run WS Reset, exe to clear store cache, and inspect Event Viewer for specific error codes that point to causes. One key troubleshooting tip: when stuck, capture the exact error message from Event Viewer and search for that code. It makes targeted fixes far faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.